Good morning. It's Monday, start of a new week. What is the first thing I do every morning after taking a shower? I empty the bin in the Roomba because, see, we got cats, so we run this every day. And then I also have to walk around and pick up any cat toys so the Roomba doesn't eat them. Good morning, Holly. And then here's some jewelry that my cat decided to steal. I just throw these in here, and then I let the cats out from the laundry room. Robert wakes up and feeds them. Remember, we have to separate the cats out because Ollie eats different food from us. Here's his food he already ate, and then Mucky and Sunny. Are you done eating, ladies? You can go. Go get your drink of water. So then I put their food bowls up, and then I go to my office and start working. That's what I do every morning. The Roomba is loud, but the cats like it. Sunny was like, when are you gonna turn the Roomba on? Oh. There goes. And that runs for do this every morning. It's loud, but it's kind of soothing. It's kind of like a ritual now. And the cats love to watch it. He just runs around. I'm calling my Roomba a she. Just runs around the downstairs. We're actually going to get a second one for upstairs because we really do like it. And remember, I'm an arcade girl. This was an arcade prize. So, it's a good deal. I'm just downstairs packaging. I'm getting ready to run to the post office. I had another sale come in, so I decided to package it real quick. Someone bought a tie. I usually ignore notes, because when you pay, you can write a note, but you've already paid, so it's like, you should ask before you pay. But anyway, sometimes I'm nice, and the lady's note was, I don't know how to tie a tie. Can you tie it for me? So I don't know how to tie a tie either, but my husband does. He did used to work in the business world, so here's the tie, loosely tied. Hopefully she can figure it out from there. If she can't, I don't know. I don't really like to ship it like this because it's just going to wrinkle it a little, but she did request it, so hopefully she can figure it out. And I'm going to run to the post office. I'm actually going to have Robert go with me because we have 2 bins and 2 big boxes. I don't like to bug him when it's just 1 box because his work time is like 9 to 3. And I don't like to interrupt him, but sorry, on Mondays I do, because I could take everything and then I'd have to go 4 trips into the post office. No thank you, Robert, please help me. So he will. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the post office and then I'm gonna take pictures this afternoon. You see the rainbow? And dark clouds. It's raining. The last thing St. Louis needs is more rain because of all the flood. But we're running to Dave & Buster's, and I just noticed the rainbow and the ominous clouds. Ominous? How do you say that word, honey?
Ominous? There's probably a unicorn that you can get those Skittles out of. Isn't it?
Unicorn Skittles, yeah, sure.
That guy who gets the
Yes, takes
Skittles.
the rainbow, blah, blah, blah.
Alright.
Fine. It's a pretty rainbow, but those clouds are kind of
Can't
scary.
see it anymore.
No, it's kind of faint. It's faint.
Ugly, crappy trucking
Alright, yes, we're heading to Dave & Buster's. Tuesday night fun. I just wanted to add something to the vlog. Yesterday, I had sorted through my, a lot I picked up at Mountain City Auctions. It was a lot of Girl Scout patches and pins and stuff. And I posted a video sorting through it. So if you watch that video at the end, I was kind of rushed and I said I'd let you guys know if anything sold. And so today's what, Tuesday? So it was Monday. I sorted, took pictures, I sorted them in batches of 10, the patches, and the pins I grouped up and the patches I grouped up. And I took pictures and listed them last night while I was watching the Blues game. Let's go Blues, they won. And I woke up this morning and sold 6 lots already. So yes, Girl Scout patches are profitable. I made my money back and I made a profit, and I still have 10 lots to sell that hopefully will sell within the next couple of days. So that made me happy. something like that sells quickly like that, I'll just, you know, make an effort to look out for Girl Scout more often. Girl Scout stuff. Just the patches and pins. The books I'm keeping for myself. They have no value. They're heavy. The books sold on eBay for like $2 free shipping. How do booksellers sell a book $2 free shipping and make money? I don't get it. I don't get how anyone's making money off of that. I don't understand the book market. I don't know how people make money on $2 books with free shipping, because the book's gonna cost at least $6 to ship, and or medium L is still like $3 or $4. So I don't get it. I'll just keep the books for myself. Honestly, I'm probably gonna, after I'm done reading them, I'm gonna probably tear them up and use them in junk journals. Sorry, there's just no value. It's a $1 book for whatever reason, but the patches were worth it, so yay! Now we're gonna, sorry, what is that bumper? Distracted by weird bumper stickers. Anyway, we're off to Dave & Buster's. There's another rainbow. That one's huge. Huge! Can you see it? How big that is? There it is. You don't see it. Robert was distracted by the fields of, what do you think that is? That looks like lettuce, cabbage, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. That looked like cabbage. That looks like lettuce. Yeah.
Kale. Maybe it's
Kale.
I don't know what kale looks like.
I have no idea what kale looks like either. I don't eat kale.
It's disgusting.
I'm not from California. I don't eat kale. Ollie, you know you're not supposed to be on the counter. How'd you get up there? Come on. Jump down. Such a bad kitty. You know you're not supposed to be up here. Oh, I know. Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, June 5th. I just got back from the post office. I had one bin to take, and I am getting ready to go on vacation. Or out of town Thursday, Friday, Saturday, come home Sunday. It's a 7-hour drive to Cincinnati, and so I put all my eBay stores on 3-day shipping, and if I sell anything tonight, I will package it and my husband will take it to the post office for me tomorrow. He's not going with me on this trip, and I don't know, this is gonna be a very short weekly vlog. There's just not much going on in the eBay world. Don't forget, if you have an eBay store, to use you get quarterly coupons for free shipping supplies, and they expire at the end of the month, so make sure you use your coupons. I love those coupons. I get the eBay envelopes. Actually, the eBay boxes I get a lot too. I love the 8x6x4s, the 4x4x6s, 4x6x8s, all those little smaller boxes that weigh less than a pound. I love them. I don't really get the bigger boxes, because if it's over a pound, you might as well just use the free priority boxes. But oh, I just got another order. So I'm recording on my phone, so I see it on my screen. Anyway, don't forget to use your coupons. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and that's it. It's just another week. Don't get me wrong, I love working from home, just not always exciting stuff. Oh, that's my husband. Gotta go.